Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn about another way we can change colors on CSS. So before we learned previously that we can name the colors by the name of the color, like green, blue, or the the 6 hexadecimal digits. But there's also another way we can do it, and it's by using the RGB value with this syntax. And the first one digit follows the R, the red, second is the green, and the third is the blue, from 0 to the lowest and 255 for the highest. So for this syntax, this problem, we want to replace the hex code in our body elements background color with the RGB value for black. So right now it's in red with the hexadecimal digits. And now we want to change the syntax. So all we have to do is copy this and change it here, and we just see it in black. But just notice from what I've seen in the experience, I don't see this syntax as much as the hexadecimal digits. And that's it. Thank you.